Today I'm reviewing a versatile solar charger perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. This solar panel is designed for cameras, phones, and other USB devices, making it ideal for camping, hiking, fishing, or road trips. First, let's talk about efficiency. It uses monocrystalline solar cells, which are known for high conversion rates. In my tests, under direct sunlight, it charged my phone from 20 to 80% in about 3 hours. That's impressive for a portable panel. Durability is another strong point. It has an IP66 rating, meaning it's dust-tight and protected against powerful water jets. I left it out during a light rain, and it performed perfectly afterward. The build feels rugged, with a sturdy fabric backing and reinforced edges. The Type-C charging port is a welcome addition. It supports fast charging for modern devices. I tested it with an iPhone and an Android phone, both charged efficiently. It also has a USB-A port for older devices. Mounting options are flexible. It comes with an adjustable stand and a 360-degree mount. You can attach it to a backpack, a tent, or a tree. I used the mount to angle it toward the sun, and it tracked well throughout the day. For remote areas, this charger is a lifesaver. It's designed for security cameras and off-grid setups. I connected it to a trail cam, and it kept the battery topped up even in cloudy conditions. Overall, this solar panel is a reliable choice for anyone needing portable power outdoors. It's efficient, durable, and versatile. Highly recommended for campers, hikers, and RV owners. If you found this review helpful, please like and subscribe for more product reviews. Links to purchase are in the description below.